one of the things that the body needs in order to kill cancer cells. And the body kills cancer cells all the time, by the way. And this is a known medical fact. Your body is mopping up cancer cells all of the time through the use of a category of nutrients referred to as antioxidants. And the people that live in the blue zones around the world, these are like fourth world cultures where they have no electricity, no health care, no pharmacies, no doctors. These people are lucky if they have a roof over their head, and they're 105 years old, and they're healthy, right? These people, my colleague Dr. Wallach studied, and they had a number of things in common. All of these disparate cultures around the world had a number of things in common, which increased their lifespan.
Right.
One of the things that they all had in common was they were by accident consuming foods or beverages which were loaded with antioxidants. And I mean loaded with antioxidants, 100 times as much as the average American. I mean, it was just, their antioxidant consumption was in a completely different league than ours is, and they were doing it by accident.
Wow.
And the other thing that they were doing, one of the most significant things, is they, again by accident, were not eating these 10 foods that we have recognized as bad for you.
Right.
All right. So you got to take the Healthy Start Pack. We've got that base covered. So what's left? We have to identify and eliminate 10 bad foods.
Got it.
And then we need to up the ante with our antioxidant consumption.
Got
All right.
it.
Now, antioxidants are measured by something called an ORAC score, O-R-A-C.
Mm-hmm.
And if you're recovering from a chronic health condition, you know, like you have arthritis or you have asthma or you have type 2 diabetes, and you want to facilitate recovery, we recommend consuming between 50,000 and 100,000 antioxidant ORAC points a day. 50,000 to 100,000. Wow. And for maintenance, for health maintenance, it's 20,000 ORAC points a day. But honestly, nobody really knows what the magic number is for ORAC consumption.
Sure.
And the more the merrier,
Right.
quite frankly. Now, the Longevity Company, in its consistency with the philosophy that healing is easy, manufactured a nutritional supplement that has approximately 18,000 ORAC points per unit dose. And it's chocolate.
Oh.
Yeah, it's not Hershey's chocolate.
Right.
It's made from an Aztec recipe that was used by a group of people in South America called the Vilcabamba. And they were some of the longest lived people in the Western Hemisphere, right? And their chocolate recipe was loaded with antioxidants. So we have the same recipe. We actually added stuff to it that they didn't. So one piece of chocolate, just a simple piece of chocolate, and it's called Triple Treat Chocolate is the name of the product.
Okay.
Triple Treat Chocolate, not Triple Truffle Chocolate. Triple Treat Chocolate, because there are two specific products here. Triple Treat Chocolate gives you 16,973 ORAC points per piece.
Wow.
And it is a fantastic addition to anybody's Healthy Start Pack because it significantly ups the ante with antioxidants.
Right.
As does one other supplement, selenium. Selenium, yeah. The body has its own natural antioxidant. It's called glutathione, and it is fantastic. And glutathione is recycled in the presence of selenium. So if you have ample selenium in your blood, and selenium is a trace mineral like calcium,
Right.
if you have selenium in your body, glutathione experiences a free radical and it neutralizes it, does its antioxidant job, but then it gets destroyed.
Sure.
If you have selenium in your blood, the glutathione does that and then gets recycled and can neutralize another free radical, and then gets recycled and can neutralize another free radical. This is why there's an overwhelming amount of research clinically that shows dramatic reduction in the rates of cancer occurrence
Right.
with selenium supplementation.
Wow.
Because one of the leading causes of cancer is oxidative damage,
Right.
free radical damage to the genetic material in the cells of the body.
Wow.
So chocolate and selenium are wonderful additions to anybody's Healthy Start Pack, and I recommend selenium supplementation at 1 bottle of Ultimate Selenium per 50 pounds of body weight per month. So if you're 200 pounds, you need 4 bottles. If you're 250 pounds, you need 5 bottles. If you're 100 pounds, you need 2 bottles. It's that simple. And as much chocolate as you want, as much chocolate as you can afford, because again, it's impossible to overdo it with antioxidants.